everyone, it's Chadni here. Welcome back to my channel Super School. All of you know about my vocabulary tutorial. No? If you don't know about the vocabulary tutorial that I have just mentioned about, then please go and watch my last video. Then you will know all the information. I'm not going to waste any more time. As I have promised, today I'm going to cover 3 more words. So let's begin. I will start with abstract. So abstract is a word which is an adjective and it means existing purely in the head or in your emotion. Nobody can see the emotion, right? For example, if I say I'm angry, that means I can express my anger through my words or through my rude expression, but I cannot express it, like I cannot show it to you. So abstract is used to describe such type of noun which cannot be shown but which can be felt. For example, Julie had trouble understanding the appeal of the abstract painting. So you have watched a painting and the appeal of the painting is very difficult to see, right? You can just feel the vibe, you know. So you can use this word abstract to express this sort of emotion or which cannot be seen, which can be only felt, or any other setting of the sentence, but you must remember it's an adjective. So use it to describe the noun, not for anything else. Do not use it as a noun. It's an adjective which describes the noun. Let's move on to the next word, which is abysmal. Abysmal. It's an adjective and it means extremely bad. For example, you want to express something very sad, which is I got an abysmal grade on my research paper. So it means that you have received a bad grade, but you can just replace the simple word bad by abysmal and improve the quality of your sentence. Next, accordingly. Accordingly means in accordance with. So it's an adverb. In a sentence, you must use it to modify the verb. What is the task of an adverb? The task of an adverb is to modify the verb in a sentence. So let's see an example. All students must behave accordingly. All students must behave accordingly. All the tasks should be done accordingly, or else there will be a misbalance. So you can use all these words in your daily conversation, and if you do not use the words, if you don't practice them, then there is no point in learning the words. And you must learn the words by this structure or this framework that I am offering you. Then you'll see that you are being able to remember the words and also use it. You are not struggling with vocabularies anymore. It is not the fierce enemy of your life when you are trying to conquer English language. Yeah? Okay, so it was a bad joke maybe. Anyways, so stay tuned and please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Follow my Facebook page for more information and stay tuned for my next video where I'll be covering 3 more words. 3 minutes, 3 more words with me, your instructor. Bye-bye.